Hello and welcome to the Embrook School's virtual awards event. This is not the way that we normally do things. I'm stood here in the hall by myself talking into my iPhone, which is a bit of an unusual experience, but these have genuinely been some very unusual times. And we wanted to try and have as much normality as possible. And it's really important to us that we take some time to celebrate the successes that have happened this year. Normally in this hall, we would have our end of year celebration events and we'd be joined by parents, staff, and of course you, the students, to celebrate those individuals who've done really well across the course of the year. So we will still do that. And in this virtual presentation, you will receive your awards and then we will send them to you. We're working really hard at the moment on September and getting the school back to normal. And I'm really excited that this hall will again be full with students come the new academic year. Until then, if you are an award winner, well done. You have done absolutely brilliantly. And your teachers and your parents, I'm sure, are really proud of your achievements. Well done.
Hello, Year 9. Good to see you all again. Hope you're all well. So this is the third instalment of the Mr. Titchband Assembly series, and this is a little bit different to the previous ones. So this is going to be our end of year celebration assembly, which usually we have in the hall with all of us celebrating everyone's successes. But as Mr. McSweeney has kind of said previously, we're going to do a little bit different, but still give those of you who have worked exceptionally hard the recognition you deserve. The whole year has been unbelievable. I mean, who'd have thought that we'd have to be doing our end of year assembly like this? And who'd have thought that you guys would be working as hard as you are all the way through this strange period? So as your year leader, I just want to say how unbelievably proud of each and every single one of you I am. And it's a credit to you all how hard you've worked. It's been your first year of your GCSEs. The feedback I've had from your teachers has been unbelievable. Everyone's so happy and impressed with the workload you're doing and how you're able to continually work at such a high standard. It is truly is fantastic. So from myself and your whole tutor team, thank you for being so amazing. And I think it's important that we celebrate the success of those who have done exceptionally well in all the subject areas. So we will start going through the subject awards now. So we have for art, Leo and Charlotte. Well done, you two. Usually we'd have a clap at the end of each single award. A little bit different this time, but feel free to clap along at home. So Leo and Charlotte, well done for art. For 3D art and design, we have James and Erin. Fantastic work, both of you. Congratulations. For business studies, Morgan and Mahita, well done. Not an easy subject. Fantastic work by both of you. For cope, Miss Andrews, I know, had to think a lot about this one. It was really tough, both for attainment. We've got Casey and we've got Luke. So well done, the pair of you. Well deserved. For design, Morgan again with another award, and Charlotte, fantastic work there. Well done. For computer science, Mahito again, nicely done. Well done. That's your second time up here. And for attainment, we have Jaden. Congratulations, the pair of you. For creative media, Harry McAvoy. And for attainment, we have Natasha. Fantastic work. Seriously well done, guys. For classical civilization, this must be quite a tough one to gain recognition in. It's an extra GCSE that we run on a Tuesday with Mr. Matthews. And he's chosen that Leo takes home progress and Erin, you take home the attainment award. So well done to both of you. For drama, we have Tom and we have Zoe. I'm hopefully looking forward to seeing you in some whole school productions at some point soon next year. That'll be lovely to see. For English, we have progress going to Bonnie and attainment to Emma. Well done. Great work, ladies. Food and nutrition, by far my favourite subject to walk down the corridor and pop my head into, usually because there's some form of delicious snack being produced. Progress goes to Olivia and attainment goes to Amaya. Well done. Absolutely outstanding stuff. For French, we have Rosa and Emily. Lovely to see. Well done. For geography, we have Sophie and we have Charlotte. Well done. Well done, both of you. For German, we have Owen and Soph Matthews. Nicely done. Well done. And for history, we have Bonnie again and Rosa again. Nicely done. Excellent stuff. For marketing and enterprise, we have for progress, we have Josh Ritchie And for attainment, we have Jaden Gill. Jaden, I'm sure you've won another one previously, so well done. For maths, progress, we have Emma, another double winner. And for attainment, we have Ben Poole. Nicely done, Ben. For PE National Curricula, we have Emma and Ellie, both take home the progress. We couldn't decide this year. And for attainment, Harry. Nicely done, all three of you. Congratulations. For PE GCSE, we have Owen Ward again, Ben again, and for attainment, we have Jazz Kinsman. Nicely done, well done. For religious studies, taking home progress is Ella, and taking home attainment is Owen. I've seen your names there, I'm sure. For the double science award, we have Izzy, and for the attainment, we have Charlotte. For biology, for progress, we have Josh. Well done, Josh. That's twice now. And for attainment, we have Erin. Congratulations. For chemistry, progress, Rosa takes that one home, and Leo takes home attainment. Both have previously won awards in other subjects, so well done. For physics, we have Neil for progress and Harry for his attainment. Well done. For sports science, progress goes to Jack Thornton and attainment goes to Bonnie. Well done. Bonnie, I'm sure I've seen your name up there previously as well, so that's another one. Congratulations. For Spanish, Mahita again, and attainment Ben Poole, both been up there previously. This may be the third for each of you. Congratulations. And that takes us on to our Tutor Awards. So I'm going to pause this and start another video. And here are the Tutor Awards. I have some lovely notes from each of your tutors to read out. So here goes nothing. The Tutor of the Year, Tutee of the Year, sorry, for 9A is, roll please, Ellie Curl. Well done, Ellie. And this is because this is for her hard work, ethic, and constant positive attitude when in school. You've always had everything needed. You're engaged in every tutor activity and could always be relied upon during tutor. So that is what Mr. Mallion has said about Ellie, and that is lovely to hear. So well done, Ellie. Congratulations. You are 9A's Tutee of the Year. And in 9B, we have Zoe Byram. Well done, Zoe. Miss Meader has nominated Zoe because you've shown real resilience and perseverance throughout the year, even when things have been tough. You're always polite, kind, and thoughtful to others. She has continued to be focused and committed to all of her subjects, both before and throughout lockdown. So fantastic work, Zoe. That is lovely to hear. Miss Meader, obviously, that's quite a tough one to decide for all tutors, but especially 9B. 9C, we have Mr. Kalatzis form, and he has nominated Morgan Anderson. Well done, Morgan. This is for being the most positive, helpful team member this year. His attendance has also been exemplary pre-lockdown, but also during the tutor catch-ups. Looking forward to seeing Morgan and the amazing 9C next academic year. Massive shout out to Morgan, who joined our tutor session the other day in full Embrook uniform. It was lovely to see, and it was, nice touch. So well done, Morgan. And for 9B, Miss Matthews has written me a paragraph, so I'm going to try and read it. Admittedly, my reading's not the best, but wish me luck. Here we go. For 9B, we have Rachel Yoxall. Well done, Rachel. So, Miss Matthews said, Rachel has settled into our amazing tutor group this year like a duck to water. She has relished 9D's competitive spirit, fully submerging herself into house events, ultimately helping Jupiter secure the Halloween Bake-Off victory earlier in the year, contributing to our brilliant attendance record and individually playing a huge part in helping 9D win the Most House Points Award last term. She really is a superstar and somebody who not only teaches but also her peers think very highly of. Rachel is polite and caring to everyone she meets. She's also incredibly organised, always having the correct uniform and equipment. Her organisation skills have also clearly helped her during this period of home learning, as I'm not aware of a single deadline that she has not met. Her work ethic and desire to succeed in everything she does is an inspiration to everyone in the year group, and I am so beyond proud of all her hard work. I feel extremely lucky to be her tutor and have had her join my tutor group. I look forward to another 2 years together. Well done, Rachel. Well done, Rachel. That's fantastic and lovely words there from Miss Matthews. So congratulations. Now we have one final award, and that is the Year Leader Award. So that's the member of our year group who I think we can all agree has absolutely been brilliant from the start of September all the way right through to the end of the year. Okay, This student is someone who I teach. I actually teach this year, so they're in one of my classes. They are such a hard worker, but before that and before all the hard work, they're just a really nice person. They're always checking in on how others are doing, even via email through this lockdown period. I've had constant emails about, oh, how are you doing, sir? And it's just so nice. And I know that they've been in touch with tutors and other students throughout the whole process. And that's something that's really special. This award goes to someone who is, and it's not an academic award, it's an award just for kind of how you're growing up as a person. And this, like I said, this winner is quite frankly, I've given it away. She is very well loved by all teachers and students, which is fantastic. So the award for year leader this year goes to Holly Glencross. Well done, Holly. Congratulations. So the certificates, I believe, will be getting to you at some point. But yeah, really, really well done to all our award winners. You've absolutely smashed it this year. And like I said previously, I'm proud of every single one of you. You really have worked incredibly well this year. So thank you. All that's left for me is to say have a lovely summer break. Don't forget us. We'll be here in September. We're very much looking forward to having you all back. We're on emails. Ping us an email if you need anything. But yeah, really, really unbelievably happy with how we've gone and cannot wait to see you all in September. So thank you and have a lovely summer break. Take care all.
I'd like to say thank you and well done to all of the students who have just received an award. You are absolutely the best of the Edinburgh School, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you back in September. And now the traditional end of celebration evening head teacher's song. Oh, I think we're out of battery. Have a lovely summer and we'll see you in September.